So here am I trying to fix this broken board. It ran in water, so I bought some battery electrical cleaner. But on the way back, as you seen from the last video, it locked up in the middle of the street. So now it feels like stiff, like very, very stiff. So I don't know if it's gonna work at all. I don't know if I should just buy new motors and then go at it from there. But right now I'm in Florida. I don't know when nothing's open over here. I don't know none of the shops. I don't know nothing. It's like if I'm blind. But the motor overheated. I thought it was gonna blow up, so I came. I disconnected it. And then I don't know if I should plug this thing back in. I put a bunch of lithium grease. I don't even know if lithium grease is good for electric motors, but I will hope so. The YouTube shirt is bleeding just like the skateboard. It's hurt. It's hurt. Alright. But yeah, that's the current situation right now, guys. Sad but true. Man down, man down, man down. So I don't know. I'm kind of scared, honestly. I don't even want to connect nothing and this thing blows up. But you won't know unless you try. So I'm gonna hook everything back up and see if I don't blow up. You guys know that most of my videos, I'm usually on the skateboard. So me not having the skateboard is like I'm losing a part of me. You know, sad. Everything's clipped in over there. I don't know. Let me do a power test. Oh man. The battery button is flashing. I don't think that's a good sign. Not at all. Oh man. So, not doing nothing. Not doing anything, guys. I almost want to cry. I think the skateboard's dead. My life.
We're about to get our guns. He said, and behind you.
Rest in peace. I'm thinking about starting a GoFundMe to get a new board. I'm sorry guys, I think I'm gonna have to give up on the YouTube channel. It's no longer fun. I can't ride. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Doesn't do nothing. Ugh. Still gotta be optimistic about things. Like and subscribe, Rossi Grows. I mean, hopefully one day the YouTube channel will make $1 million and problems like these won't be an issue. But until then, I'm just the average Joe.